Welcome to today's book reading tutorial by Bookluv channel. Today we shall learn more about Mohiniyattam, a world-famous classical dance form from India. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam, along with Kathakali, is one of the traditional dance traditions that originated in Kerala. Mohiniyattam draws its name from the word Mohini, which means dance of Mohini, the feminine form of Lord Vishnu. Mohiniyattam, or the dance of an enchantress. Mohini means beautiful woman and Attam means dance, is a solo dance performance by women that was further refined by Vijayalakshmi in the 19th century and rose to prominence under the monarchs of Travankari in what is now Kerala. Shivaji, the Travankari ruler in the 19th century, was a renowned patron. After it had faded into obscurity, it was resurrected by the famed Malayala poet V. N. Menon and Kalyani Amma. At the 11th century Vishnu temple at Thrikodithanam, Kottayam, there are statues of female dancers in positions similar to those seen in Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is mentioned in the Vyavahara Mala written by Mazamangalam Narayanan Nambudi. Mohiniyattam features. Bharatanatyam's grace and elegance are combined with Kathakali's vigor in Mohiniyattam. There is a distinct lack of thumping footsteps, and the footwork is soft. In general, Mohiniyattam tells the story of Vishnu's feminine dance. Like other classical dances, it has its own Nritta and Nritya aspects. In a Mohiniyattam recital, the lasya, beauty, elegance, part of the dance is paramount. As a result, it is predominantly performed by female dancers. Mohiniyattam's costume is particularly important, with white and off-white being the predominant colors and gold brocade motifs. There is no extensive makeup on her face. On her ankles, the dancer wears a leather strap with bells, ghungroo. Acting is emphasized in Mohiniyattam. The dancer identifies with the characters and emotions present in compositions such as the padams and padavarnams, which allow for a wide range of facial expressions. The hand movements, which number 24 in total, are mostly taken from Hastalakshanadipika, a Kathakali literature. A few are taken from Natya Shastra, Abhinayadarpana and Balrama Bharatam. The facial expressions and gestures are more natural, gramya, and realistic, lokadharmi, than theatrical or rigidly conventional, natyadharmi. A Mohiniyattam performance is used to represent the element of air. The collection of 40 basic dance movements is known as Atavakul or Atavus. The Carnatic style of music is used to accompany this dancing form. Manipravalam, a macaronic language based on Sanskrit and Tamil/Malayalam, is used for the lyrics. Flute, veena, and percussion instruments such as mridangam, madalam, idaka, and kuzhatalam are employed. The majority of the songs are in the Sopana style. Its origins can be traced back to the Indian state of Kerala. Women execute the dance in honor of the Hindu god Vishnu, who takes on the shape of the enchantress Mohini. Mohiniyattam is a female-only dancing form. It is also milder than Kathakali, which is a very strong dance. The dance exemplifies the essence of female grace. Shringara, erotic, images of heavenly love are also notable. The dance was traditionally performed solo, but in the 21st century, it can also be performed in groups. Bookluv recommends the following books. Mohiniyattam, Dance of India by Bharati, Shivaji and Vijayalakshmi. Mohiniyattam by Professor Kalaamandalam, Leelama. Tradition and Transformation in Mohiniyattam Dance, an Ethnographic History by Justine Lemos. The objective of this video tutorial is to motivate you to pick a copy of the book and start reading. Bookluv promotes book reading across the world. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye and happy reading.